How foreign citizens can become U.S. citizens by CitizenPath. The naturalization process is the path through which a foreign national can voluntarily become a U.S. citizen. In order to begin the naturalization process, an applicant must first meet several requirements. Then he or she must file an application for naturalization, attend an interview, and pass a test. Generally, you must be a lawful, permanent resident, also known as a green card holder, in order to apply for U.S. citizenship through naturalization. The majority of naturalization applicants are eligible once they have 5 years of continuous residence in the U.S. To apply, you must be at least 18 years old, have continuous residence in the U.S. as a permanent resident for 5 years before filing the application, have been physically present in the U.S. for at least 30 months out of the 5 years before filing the application, be living within the same U.S. state for at least 3 months before filing the application, be able to pass the English test, as well as U.S. history and government test, be a person of good moral character. If you are starting this process, you likely have many more questions. Go to citizenpath.com/naturalization to learn more about the process and get started. As mentioned, the typical applicant is eligible after 5 years of living in the U.S. That includes at least 30 months of time physically present on U.S. soil. There are certain types of people who can apply sooner. Two of the most common groups include permanent residents married to U.S. citizens, as well as U.S. military service members. Green card holders who are married to a U.S. citizen may apply after just 3 years of continuous residence in the United States. 18 months of that time, the applicant must have been physically present. Certain veterans and active duty U.S. Armed Forces service members may apply immediately. The continuous residence and physical presence requirements are waived. To apply, you'll submit Form N-400, the application for naturalization, to U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, also known as uscis. How do you ensure a smooth process? Prepare your application package correctly and include the appropriate supporting documents. Supporting documents do vary based on your specific situation. CitizenPath.com is an affordable and reliable way to prepare your citizenship application. Designed by immigration attorneys, the online service makes it easy to confirm eligibility, prepare the correct forms, and submit the right documentation. We even guarantee it. You can generally file the application 90 days before meeting the eligibility requirements previously mentioned. After filing Form N-400, most people have 3 appointments. First, you'll attend a biometrics appointment. USCIS will gather your fingerprints and take photos. This short appointment does not include any kind of naturalization interview. Several months later, you must attend the naturalization interview. A USCIS officer will review your application with you and evaluate your English language skills. The officer will also administer a short civics test to assess your knowledge of U.S. history and government. This test is fairly easy to prepare for. The answers are even available for you in our description below. If you pass the exam and interview, the USCIS officer will approve your application and schedule you for an oath ceremony. At the oath ceremony, you'll officially become a U.S. citizen. You may also be wondering about children. Children automatically become U.S. citizens if all 3 of the following are true at the same time. 1. The child is a permanent resident under 18 years of age. 2. At least one of the child's parents is a U.S. citizen through naturalization. And 3. The child is residing in the United States in the legal and physical custody of the U.S. citizen parent. If the child is 18 or older, he or she may file a separate Form N-400 to naturalize. For more information on citizenship processing times, preparation, and fees, visit the links in the description of this video. Did you find this video helpful? Subscribe to CitizenPath for more content that will make your immigration journey easier.